Hello friends, my name is Misha. If you want to use English in your conversation, then this video of mine can be useful for you. If we would like to improve our English, one thing we can do is to build up our vocabulary. In order to do this, we have to practice a lot. There are many effective ways. First of all, we should read a lot. In this video, you are getting a golden opportunity to practice. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Success means different things to different people. For some, it is having a lot of money. For others, it is being happy, having a good family, or doing what they love. There are some simple steps that can help you achieve it. First, set clear goals. Now, what you want? Make a list of your goals. Goals are like a map that shows you where you to go. Second, work hard. You need to work hard to reach your goals. Practice every day, learn new things, and never give up. Even when things are difficult, keep going. Hard work pays off in the end. Third, positivity. Stay positive, believe in yourself. When you face problems, think about how you can solve them. Fourth, learn from mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, it's the part of learning. Do not be afraid of mistakes, learn from them. Fifth, get support, ask for help when you need it. Talk to family, friends, or teachers. They can give you advice and support. Working with others makes the journey easier. Sixth, stay healthy, eat good food, exercise, and get enough sleep. When your body feels good, your mind works better. This helps you stay focused and full of energy. Seventh, be patient. Success takes time. Be patient and keep working towards your goals. Small steps every day lead to big results. Remember, good things can to those who wait. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English lessons. Happy learning, and until next time, goodbye.